Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be creating this look that you guys see here. I haven't done color in so long, so I got a lot of glitter going on. It's a very bold blue smoky eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade 405 Caramel to conceal my brows, and this is also what I use to prime my eyelid. If y'all didn't check out my updated skincare routine, every time I post a video everybody's like, sis, can we get an updated skincare routine? What do you use on your skin to make it so clear or keep it so clear? Y'all, I posted that. I don't know if the notifications are still tripping, because I got some comments on that on my other videos that y'all aren't getting the notification until like the next day or hours later. But I uploaded an updated skincare routine. I showed y'all the products that I use to wash my face, exfoliate, moisturize, toner, all that good stuff. So if you have not checked that out, I will link it up top, up here right now, or you guys can just click on it at the end of this video. But I got y'all on the colorful look. That's what we doing today. I got y'all. I feel all excited and stuff. I haven't done no colorful look in so long because I've been so into just neutral everything. So like I said, you guys, I'm going to just drag this concealer down to my eyelids. Like I said, this is what I use to prime my eyes with. I don't actually use like a product, like an eye primer product. I just use my concealer. It works the best for me. So I'm going to blend all this out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A5 brush. So the first palette I'm going to use is this Wet n Wild palette right here, and I'm going to take this shade right here. It's Venomous right here, and it's a deeper green. My lighting is so bright, but it's like a hunter green, and I'm going to take this on a Anastasia Beverly Hills A10 buffing eyeshadow brush and apply this in my crease. The eyeshadows in this palette apply like so good. I don't know, you can just tell when you use a lot of different palettes. You can just tell what eyeshadows is like really good quality, and this is really nice. It's blending so good together. And I get questions on this, if I set my concealer before I apply eyeshadow, and no, I used to do that, but now I don't. I don't do it anymore because I feel like you get more pigment when you don't set the concealer. Like, just go straight in with your eyeshadow. So y'all, I was gonna do a pink purple look, and I'm like, dang, I do that so much. I always do purple in my crease, but I just know how to work with purple so good. But I've been having green stuck in my mind for months. So what I was thinking about doing before I created this, I was thinking about doing a green smoky eye with maybe like a metallic green color on the lids and like a pink shimmery, not a super bright pink, but a pink metallic wing liner. So the next shade I'm going to use is this shade right here. Y'all, this is the Morphe 35 Old palette. Y'all remember when I was always using this palette? I still use it because I still look at all these shades that I have left, and this is still to me one of the best colorful eyeshadow palettes. And I don't have no other palette that has like a shade like this, so that is why I'm dipping into this. So I'm going to apply this in the outer corner first and then drag it in just like how I did the green, but I'm going to keep this shade like only underneath the green color, if that makes sense. So we're just stacking the shades. So I'm gonna carve out my crease using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. Best to use when you're doing a cut crease. It's so good, and I use the lightest shade, and I don't know how to pronounce this shade, y'all, so I'm gonna just leave it down in the description box. So I'm just doing like a half cut crease. I'm not gonna wing it out. Ooh, y'all, still got it. So I'm just gonna take that same shade out of the Morphe palette to blend out the edge of this concealer. And I'm gonna add a little bit of black as well. So I'm gonna jump back into this palette right here, and I'm gonna take the same shade that I used first, and I'm placing this shade all over my lid. So the glitter liner that I use is from Profusion. It's their Bling It On glitter eyeliner. Right here is the silver one. All right, y'all. I hope y'all can see. Alright, this don't look bad at all, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Essence Super Last Matte Black Eyeliner. Moving on to skin, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer to prime my face. For foundation, I'm going to use this Lancome foundation here. And I'm also going to squeeze in a little bit of the NYX Born To Glow foundation as well. And I will leave the names of both down in my description box. Just go ahead and apply this. I love mixing my foundations, y'all, if y'all can't tell. Of course, I'm going to use my Sony Cash sponge to blend everything out. So for concealer, I'm trying out this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer. So it's in the shade Caramel. It looks like this. From the packaging, I thought this was going to be too dark, but it looks pretty good. So like you can see the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly set underneath my eyes. And I'm using this Huda Beauty Powder in the shade Banana Bread and Blondie mixed together. Next, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Cappuccino. I'm using my little contour brush from Eco Tools. I go pretty light on the contour, especially if I have a dramatic eye going on. So after I do my contour, I like to go ahead and set my face, and I love to use the Wet n Wild coconut setting spray right here. It smells so good, y'all. So for highlight, I'm using this Revlon Skin Lights highlighter in the shade Twilight Gleam, and it is so pretty. I'm going to use my Ray Ray highlighting brush. I don't like highlighters that do too much, like those pigments and stuff. I don't use those anymore. I really like this one. Like, it's not too pigmented, and it's giving you the perfect amount, and it's so skin-like. I haven't done color in so long, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.